How to remove your Instagram account from another device. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're in the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the section Account Center. Different options will appear. Click on the option Password and Security. Now navigate to the option where you are logged in. Click on your Instagram username. With that, you're going to find the list of the devices in which your Instagram account is logged in. Click on the option Select Devices to log out. Now select the devices from where you want to log out your Instagram account in this way. Then click on Logout. Are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Click on Logout. And just with that, you will be logged out of those devices. So this way you can easily remove your Instagram account from another device. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.